Welcome my dear students. In the last video I have shown you about the files, how can we uploaded a file in a folder using of PHP code. So in this video I am going to show you how can we apply conditions like the size of file, how can we check the size of file, and how can we check the extension of file, and how can we give a unique name of a file. Okay, so let's start. Simply first I remove this code and I am going to create a new variable. For example, the variable name will be size. Okay, and again the same thing I copy and I can paste it here, $_file, and from my files I am taking the size. Okay, then terminate. Now we can check the size of files using of echo statement. I can echo and then save. Okay, you can see here, but I need to start a fresh file. You can see here we can choose a image file. For example, these one.jpg. you can see here we can simply echo the file size. Okay, you can see here the file size which is in bytes, 171741 byte. Okay, so here you can see 1 megabyte is equal to 10 lakhs byte. Okay, now let's check the extension. Now I can create a new variable which name will be extension, $f_extension. Okay, and in this, for this variable I can use a method, inbuilt method explode. Okay, in previous video I have shown you about the explode method and implode method. How can we use this explode method? We know explode method is used to convert a string into an array. Okay, simply it take two arguments. First is separator. We can separate our string by dot into array. Okay, and in second parameter we can give the name of our file. Okay, now we can see by echo, let's save. As you can see, this is an array, so we need to use print_r function. I can use here and I can copy and paste. Let's save. So here you can see there are two elements in our array, 0 and 1. On 0 index here is 1, and on 1 index here is the extension of the file. Let's again take another file which for example laptop, and if I upload, yes, you can see here on first element here is laptop, and in second element here is the extension of the file. Okay, this we can get out from this explode method by the help of this explode method. Now we will use this jpg for comparing the file. Which file we are uploading, it is jpg or not, or it is png or not, or it is gif or not. Okay, so how can we do this? Simple. Now take this extension in another variable. Again I am taking this variable $f_extension. Okay, and in this I can use AND method. It is an inbuilt method. Okay, and in AND method I can pass this variable. Okay, now let's echo. Yes, you can see here. Now it's JPG. AND method is used to take the last element of the array, to take out the last element of the array. See that this was the last element of the array, JPG. So we take out from the, with the help of AND method, the last element or extension of the file from this AND method, and we save in this variable. Okay, now we will check. We can put here a condition, if else condition. For example, I can check $f underscore extension is equal to JPG. Okay, or I can use or sign here and equal to PNG. Okay, and again I can use here or sign, and again I can check, I can compare from GIF file. Okay, and then we can echo. Save. If I take a hard disk and then upload, the messages file is right. Okay, but if I upload, you can see here a text file and then upload, you can see here the message only JPG, PNG and GIF can be uploaded. Okay, so this is the use of these AND method and this explode method. We can apply the condition for checking the type of images. Okay, and I can also use another inbuilt method of PHP, which method is str to lower. Okay, and why I am using this method, let me explain you. Maybe your file extension is in capital letter like JPG. Okay, if the file extension comes in capital letter, then with the help of this str to lower method we can get this extension in small letters. Okay, if we get the extension of file in capital letter, but with the help of this str to lower method we can smaller the extension of the file. So we don't need to write extra code here for checking the capital letter or a small letter. That's why we are using str to lower method here. Okay, and now you can see the code. Okay, if I open a fresh file here, okay, so this is all about the checking for extension and checking for type of file. Now we are going to write code for checking the size of file. How can we check the size? Okay, so simply here I can use if else condition again. If the file size greater than or equal to 1 MB, I am defining 1 MB into bytes. I can write like this. Okay, so we can show a message here. We can show a message here, max file should be 1 MB. Okay, and in else section, if the file is less than 1 MB, then here I can use again if condition. I can use inbuilt method, which is move underscore uploaded underscore file here, and in this method I can pass two parameters here. First is these $f underscore tmp for temporary path, and the second is, you can see here, the store. Okay, copy and store. Now save file and let's check. Choose file. You can see here this file is greater than 1 MB. Okay, I can show here for in images. You can see here the property, and the size of file is 1.01 MB. Okay, so if I choose this file and then upload, then you can see the message here, max file should be 1 MB. Okay, so this statement is execute because the file size is greater than from 1 MB. Okay, so this is the use of $f underscore size, and we can apply the condition for checking the extension of the file like this. Okay, and we can apply the condition for checking the size of a image file like this. Okay, now the third thing is, how can we stop replacing the file? When we upload a same file, then it will replace, but I don't want to replace any file. I want to upload file with different name. Okay, so how can we do this? Simple. Here I can create a new variable, for example $f underscore new file, and here I can use a method which name is unique id. Okay, and here I can concatenate by dot its extension. Okay, so I can hit this variable here, then terminate. Okay, now we can see this echo, and let's save. Yes, you can see here, if I choose this one and then upload, you can see here this was the one.jpg, but now this name is this unique id .jpg. Okay, then this upload message we can show here. Okay, if I comment this, then again save, clearly you can see here the different name. Okay, again if I choose the same file and then upload, then it will upload by different name here. Let's check in the folder, in the upload folder. It's not uploaded now, because why it is not uploaded, but it's changed the name. Okay, you can see here it is not uploaded because we are giving old name here, ftemp, and you can see here a variable $store, and here you can see here in $store, and here I pass $f underscore name, which is old name. Okay, so first I need to copy this line and cut from here, and I need to paste it here, and then I need to copy this $f new file, and then I need to paste it here. Okay, because now the file is with new name, not with the old name. Okay, so after this I place this line, after this variable I place this line, $store is equal to then our folder name and then new file. Okay, then save, and we can choose again, for example this one, and upload. Now let's check. Yes, you can see here. Okay, if I delete all file from here, now check again and cut this and start a new fresh file. Okay, and if I remove echo here, then it will not show the name on the browser, it will directly save, and I can uncomment this uploaded successful message here. Okay, then again save. Now let's check this file, which name is 1.jpg. I select and I uploaded successful. Now let's go in upload folder. You can see here the file name is changed now. Okay, if I again select that file and upload, then again check in that folder, yes, you can see here it's not replaced, it's saved from a different ID or from a different name. Okay, so I hope you will get what I am saying, and I think you may be a doubt in this video lecture. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me a question. Okay, so see you in next video.